Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our channel. I am Wajdan Imam. Today we are going to learn how to maintain crypto record in Excel. You all are requested to please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon for more videos. Guys, you can see here I show you one format. I already make it for you. This format have two parts. One profit and loss statement and other is balance sheet. For your understanding, I explain you one thing that total assets always equal to total liabilities. See, there is no difference between the total assets and the total liabilities. This is the accounting concept. I am not going to explain what is the actual reason of this because we are not learning the accounting. We are just here to understand how to maintain the crypto record in the Excel. Suppose you are going to start your crypto and you are going to start investment in the crypto. You will write your investment like this: capital and investment in the liability side, which is $100 suppose, and whatever the exchange rate using in your country, and you will get the amount in your currency. So I am in the UAE and I am making my record in the dirham. So I invested $100. This is the rate, and total dirham I invested is was 366.7. On the other hand, when you will write this entry capital, on the other hand you will buy, suppose you will buy BUSD. So how much BUSD you will buy? Suppose you will buy 100 BUSD, whatever the rate and whatever your currency. Okay, so this is your total one. But because I already done different transactions, so now I have only 69.68 BUSD in my asset side, whereas in my capital investment there is no change because I only invested $100 and I didn't invest more. This $100 I am just regulating my crypto. I am not using more investment from my personal account. So now in my asset total BUSD is 69.68, and here you can see whatever I buy and sell, how many entries I make. This is in my this formula. I will add and less showing here. Okay. So on the other hand, profit and loss account also have two parts. One is crypto buy and other is crypto sale. I write other charges. Whenever you buy the crypto, maybe you will be charged with some charges, so you will write it here like your expenses are related to this profit and loss statement, and you know whenever the expenses increase, your profit will be reduced. So that is why I write it here in the purchase side, not in the sale side. Okay, these all the transactions whatever I purchased, and these all are the transaction whatever I sold during my period. Here you can see the total purchase value is 357.97, and the total sale is 3212.24, and the profit is 54.27 as of now. Now I am going to explain you how we will write our transaction when we will buy new cryptocurrency. See, I bought LUNC 360,000 quantity. Unit price was 0.00024948. How much I invested? This is $90. I was invested in this currency. But unfortunately, the rate fell down of this currency, and now the current rate is 0.000125. It means I am facing 44.91 loss in this currency. Okay, so now the what is the current value of my this currency is 45.09. This is the current value of my crypto, of this crypto only. Okay, so I write it here, so it will reduce my assets. Okay, my asset was $90. As per the current rate of this currency, my asset in my books is now 45.09. Okay, and this is the actually my loss, so I write it here. This is my loss. Okay, it reduced my value of the asset, so I write it here as an exchange gain loss. Okay, this is exchange gain loss because I bought this currency at 249.48, and now the current value is 0.000125. So what will you do when you will buy any currency? You will add one line in the asset, because remember one thing, until unless you will not sell your cryptocurrency, it will be considered your asset. Okay, not the you will not write it in the crypto byte, you will not write in the profit and loss statement, you will write it in the balance sheet, because it is your asset, it is in your hand, it is your right, it will give you benefit in the future, so it is your asset. Okay, it is not your cost. What is the cost? I am explaining. Suppose after some time you will add one another line here for the same currency. Okay, here you will write the current rate. At what price we purchase? 0.000249. Okay, what is the current rate? 0.000125. So what is the loss? 44.91. What is the actual value in our asset? Is 45.09. Okay, the value of our asset is now 45 dirham, because 44 is the loss. Okay, suppose next year price will little increase. Suppose this will be 0.000113, so the loss value reduce. Okay, if the price of the crypto, if the unit price of the crypto will increase, the loss will decrease. Okay, and automatically it will increase your asset side. But remember one thing, still it is asset, because where until unless we will not sell our crypto, it will be considered as our asset, and we will keep this transaction here. Suppose after few time the rate will be 0.0003, and I see that I will get $18 profit on this crypto, so the net value in my asset is 108. What I was invested? $90. As per the current rate, what is the profit? $18.23 on this $90. Net value is 108. Now I decided to sell this crypto. What will I do? What will you do when you will decide to sell? You will add one line here. Suppose you will add line here, you will LUNC, what is the unit quantity? 30752.18. At what price you bought this currency? 0.002498. Okay, so you will copy this formula here. Okay, so this is our purchase price. Now at what price we sold this currency? Suppose LUNC, what is the quantity? 360,752.18. At what rate we are going to sell it? 0.003. Okay, we are going to copy the formula. Okay, see, now if we sell this currency, we will remove these lines from here. From here we will remove these lines because it is not our asset now. So we already remove these lines. See how much dollar we get. We get $108.23 when we sell this crypto. We get 108.23. So we will add it here. We will add it here plus 108.23. So now you can see here one thing. How much we invested? $100. Okay. When we invested, we wrote 100 here, 100 BUSD here. After many transactions, now we have 177.91 BUSD in our hand. Okay, so this is BUSD in our hand. Now if you want to withdraw from here, okay, we can withdraw all the BUSD from our cryptocurrency. We can withdraw partial amount, whatever we will withdraw. We will reduce our capital investment. Okay, suppose I decide to withdraw $50. Okay, so I will write here minus 50 because my 50 BUSD will be reduced. Okay, and from the other hand we also reduce 50 from here, minus 50. So now mistake here, I need to write is equal to and minus 50. So I was invested $100 and now I withdraw $50 for my personal use. My current capital and investment is $50. This is when you will withdraws anything, you will reduce your capital investment and also you will reduce your asset side from the BUSD. Here we already reduced 50. But suppose we are not withdrawing anything, we are write it like $100 same before, and also here we uh, here we reduce $50. So now what BUSD are in our hand is 177.91. So now you can see how much we invested, $100. How much BUSD in our hand, 177.91. So you can easily see that 77.91 is our profit. But see, here you can see 77.54 is our profit, net profit after all buying and selling all the transactions. 77.54 is our profit. This 77.54 is our profit came in our liability side. Okay, here you can see one difference, 0.23. We are putting this difference here, 0.23. So we will put this difference here with minus or plus, whatever we need. We will use the sign accordingly. 0.23 to remove this difference because these are the little difference of the currency exchange and currency differences. In the decimal differences this came, so you will remove this difference by adding or reducing it in the other charges. Finally, this is the way how can we maintain our crypto record in the Excel. If you have any question, you can ask me anytime. And if you need this Excel file, you can contact me in the WhatsApp. I will show my WhatsApp number in the description. And if you have any suggestion, you can also share with me. If you have any question, you can also ask me. And thank you for giving the time. Kindly subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. Allah Hafiz.